This is a demonstration of an intelligent, end-to-end insurance claims automation solution using AuGENT, Soothsayer analytics platform for agentic AI workflows. This solution automates the entire pipeline, starting from document classification to data extraction, validation, and summarization, making claims processing significantly faster, more accurate, and scalable. The process begins when documents are uploaded as a single bundle, be it PDFs, images, or scans. The agent It also checks for any missing or incomplete documents and immediately flags them for follow-up, ensuring no critical information is overlooked. Next, an extraction agent parses the contents using OCR, GPT Vision, and Azure OpenAI to intelligently pull out relevant information, such as claimant identity, license number,
VIN,
accident time, and repair costs, regardless of the format. Once extraction is complete, a validation agent applies business rules to cross-check data across documents. For example, it verifies whether the VN mentioned in the repair estimate matches the one in the police report, or whether the license is valid as per the accident date. If any discrepancy is found, such as a mismatch in license number or VIN, it's instantly flagged. All outputs are stored in a structured format and visualized in a clean, intuitive dashboard. This includes document presence checks, extracted values, validation results, and red-flagged mismatches. In one sample claim, all documents were processed, and values like the claimant's name, ID number, and license validity were accurately extracted.
Photos are analyzed using vision models to corroborate key details from service repair estimates,
Such as tire brand or damage type using vision models. Any inconsistency across documents, like differing VINs, is clearly marked, helping claims staff take immediate, informed action. A final claim summary is then generated by the agent workflow, listing validated details, discrepancies, and extraction confidence scores. Teams can even ask natural language questions like, was the license valid on the accident date? Or, is the VIN consistent across documents? And receive instant contextual answers. In just a few minutes, this agentic workflow turns a complex and unstructured claim into a structured, validated summary, greatly improving speed, accuracy, and transparency across the insurance claims process.